Hey friends, Jason here from Jason's Design Shop. Yeah, I just wanted to show you this video I made about cutting a bear out of a log. Pretty hard wood and a pretty old log. But I went for it and I wanted a sign, a welcome sign for the front of our house. And my wife said, well, carve a bear that's holding the sign. I'm like, well, there was a challenge. So I went for it with my CS1500 and it's not as hard as it looked. Once I had the basic shape out, then you're just bringing it out, cutting deeper into the grooves and accenting the legs there and the arms, and it ended up not being as hard as you might think. I did hit a couple nails in there and broke off several teeth on my chainsaw and had to replace the chain once, but not too hard. But the problem is you don't have all the tools, so I had to rig up some sanding and drill some holes out for a marble. Hey, I'd be honored if you would subscribe to my channel and check out all the different projects I do. Thanks, guys. Have a great week.